Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you all are doing well. So let's go into what we have today. If you remember the last time when I was making a video, I was talking about the possibility of us getting into this buy side liquidity here and also running into this fair value gap on the daily time frame. Okay, using this order block right here. So looking at this price move for us to run and take out this buy side liquidity. That was what I said, that initially I was like, I didn't really have a bias, but if I was just asked where am I expecting price to reach to, that would be this high. Reason for saying that, because of this choppiness that we had here. So I was just like, okay, so it won't be like I'm holding a hard so a hard bias, a kind of, okay, on this particular market right now. So as you can see, we achieved that price level that we were looking for the last time. So guys, I want you guys to follow this channel. If you like this type of content, like and share, because I do post things like this all the time. Talk about price direction, especially in the US100. Okay, that's NQ, that's Nasdaq. So you guys should stay tuned for more. I have a lot of packages for you guys this year, for real. Okay, so now the expectations we had price running to that level right here. All right, now today is Tuesday. We opened here with this large gap and then we dropped lower. Okay, to me this price move is overly extended though. I was not really expecting price to drop this low, but I was looking at this breaker right here initially. That was what I was looking at. But you should know that this is FOMC week. So if you have FOMC, it's most likely that they are going to try to manipulate the markets or try to create some kind of market sentiment to make people believe something, okay, and then they'll do directly the opposite. So that's one of the reasons why it's always good for you to always look at the higher time frame whenever you're analyzing your trades. Okay, so now let's go back. Let me go to the weekly time frame to explain to you guys what I'm looking at. So now looking at the weekly time frame, you can see that we've been in this fair value gap from this side. I included this volume balance here and this volume balance here, so we have one fair value gap here. Okay, it's not a reclaim right now, it's just an FVG. So fair value gap. So now this is what we have, this fair value gap, and you can see how price have been chopping around it. But notice something that is very, very unique about this price. See where the bodies are closing. It's closing inside the fair value gap. So all these wicks out here, I see them as wicks doing the damage. I'm still seeing this as a bullish market until proven otherwise. And also looking at this proportion block here, you see that we had no closure below 50%, but we just keep looking through it. Okay, that's algorithmic. That also is part of the reason why I'm expecting higher prices on this pair. That's why I don't believe that all this run lower is like for it to keep dropping until proven otherwise. But for now, with what we have presented right now, I'm still expecting higher prices on this particular pair. That's the US100. So going down to the daily time frame, I saw how we rushed down yesterday and then right up. See where we closed at the upper quadrant of this inefficiency, this fair value gap. That's where we closed. So now, what's my expectation on this price? I'm expecting price to run for this buy side liquidity here. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, this is my draw on liquidity here. That is 21. See these relative equal highs. That's what I'm looking. That is 21,945.8. That's where we have buy side. That's where I'm expecting the draw. Buy side liquidity. Liquidity again. Liquidity. Hope I spelled that right. So now that's what I'm expecting to draw and liquidity. Okay, so let me move this. I'm watching this week right here. Okay, and knowing that this week, this particular week that we are in now, can be highly manipulated. So you can see price try to do a lot of things, but for me, I'm still staying bullish. Okay, I can see these relative colors here, but first, my interest goes to this week and its consequent encroachment. That's it, 50% of the week. That's where my mind goes to. So that is here. That's also the lower quadrant of this inefficiency. That's what it is also, because that lower half of the inefficiency. So I'm looking at a possibility for price to use this, maybe not even come to it or use the upper half of this inefficiency here, this blue shaded area, for a buy. It can wick down into this and even lower, but I want the bodies to be staying above this 50% so we can get those higher prices. Okay, so that's my expectation on this, and this is the first draw. And if we get animated, like if we get so wild, then we can reach to 22,132.6. Okay, but first I'll stick to this at the buy side, the initial buy side liquidity that I have first as a draw. Okay, so that's just what I have for you guys today. Okay, market's about to open. I have to trade. I just want to share this with you guys. Please endeavor to like and share this video. That will also encourage me to be dropping more of this. Don't forget that I'll be giving you guys this every week, week in, week out, throughout the year. So you guys should stay tuned. Okay, so have a wonderful trading week. Please be careful. This is FOMC week. If you're a newbie, please don't try trade FOMC. You can't really trade that. That's just an advice though. But you can trade after that. Okay, that's good. But trying to trade it, that's just gambling. But if you still feel like that's what you want, it's still fine. That's just a piece of advice from me to you guys. So I hope you guys have a good trading week, and peace guys. Have a nice day. Bye.